So you might be in a situation where for some reason your SIM card is just not able to be removed on your Android device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to actually locate the SIM card inside of your phone. So a lot of people may actually find the first hole that they find and try to insert their SIM card tool, but the SIM card tray is a little bit different looking. So if we go and bring our phone to the side, you'll basically see that our SIM card tray looks something along the lines of this. Sometimes they get their microphone holes mixed up, so make sure that you actually insert the SIM card tool inside of the SIM card tray and not like some other microphone hole or something random like that. Now that's number one. The second thing you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that when you're inserting that SIM card tray inside of your phone, that you actually insert it pretty much straight in. If you insert it at an angle or something like weird like that, it's not going to work. You want to make sure you're inserting that directly right inside, exactly almost like straight inside of that device. Now you want to go and click that into place, and it's going to take a little bit of effort. So it's not it's not with a little bit of force. You want to put a little bit in. You don't want to break your phone or the SIM card tray, but it's a slight pressure that you're going to want to throw in there. Now, another thing that's very, very important is that if there's like some sticky residue around your phone or anything like that, you may want to grab some sort of napkin and clean around this tray. Sometimes if you have like a very sticky phone, especially if you had a case on your phone and you spilled something on it, you might just want to go and clean around it, and that might end up fixing the problem for some people out there. Now the next thing, you want to go ahead and see if you can again click it into place, and you should be able to go ahead and just pry it out like you normally would. Now when you do that, you want to make sure you clean around it, but that is basically all you're going to have to do. Usually by cleaning around this tray, even just kind of like rubbing your finger around it and getting some of that sticky stuff off or whatever is on there, that might end up fixing the problem for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.